Good morning, guys. It's the first weekend off, and Dylan and I are going fishing. There's another place on the way there that we can try. It's like a big bake shop slash like deli slash like home restaurant kind of thing. Do you want to try that instead?
You do.
All right. I mean, it's right on the way. It's on the road that the crappie spot's on. So,
Okay.
all right, let's go. Ooh, it smells good. You just want to get something quick and head out? Outfit. Yeah, that's turkey. Ham and Swiss. That's ham and shit. Yeah.
Or cold beef. One of those.
Swiss.
They're done. Oh yeah. Sure.
You know what? For old time's sake.
I
Yeah.
usually put it in my other pipe to shoot.
I'll grab yours since you drove.
$9.64. Do you guys want a bag?
No, we won't need one.
There's that.
Thank you.
Here you go. Have a
Thank you.
good
I don't need to sign anything?
Anything under 20 now.
Okay.
I'll get that.
Alright. Thank you very much. You too. So, we're out at Alum Creek right now, fishing. Dylan was nice enough to drive. Yeah. Thanks for taking me out here today, mate.
Now if we just catch a fish.
Yeah, now if we can just catch a fish. How long do you want to give this spot?
I'll lose another setup.
Okay. Dylan's already lost, what, 2? He's already lost 2 setups. There's a bobber floating around here somewhere. I tried catching it without any luck, but we'll see what happens. No minnow?
Maybe try somewhere else.
Yeah. Well, here's a little area right here. This looks perfect to cross. Got a lure?
Yeah. See if I can get the shrimp hook on this side. Oh, if there was hooks on it.
Oh, I was gonna come over and grab you. Hold on. Let me.
Pupils wore off.
Here. Alright guys, so Dylan just caught the first fish of the day. May possibly be fish Ohio. It's that impressive. He's bringing his catch over so we can measure it. Oh, we may need quite a bit. Ow! A whopping 5 inches. Oh, it is pretty looking.
Yeah,
I mean,
look at
it's
the blue.
nice, yeah. Oh yeah.
This is the smallest bluegill I've ever caught.
Let me see it.
Now that's a good bait fish right there.
Yeah, no kidding. You want to keep it?
Yeah.
Cut it up and... No?
I thought I snagged on that log, and then I just saw like a little black blob flop over it. And I was like, what the hell? And then I was caught all in that tree.
Can't shut his mouth. Oh.
Female fish.
Congratulations on your catch. Hey, so far it's the catch of the day. It's the only one we've had, so. And it gave us a good laugh. A whopping 5 inches. It looks more like 3.5, 4. So we're still out here fishing. Dylan went off somewhere. He's over there. This is one of the things that I love about nature. If you listen close enough, with the wind moving and everything, I used to call it the trees are crying, but someone made fun of me for it, so it kind of put me off of that terminology. Somewhere in this area, I can't really figure out which one it is, but it just creaks. Of course, now when I take a video, it goes still and calm, and even the water turned placid, so now it's just birds chirping. It makes me want to take a nap. We'll figure out how long we're gonna stay at this spot though. We'll see. Listen. Beautiful. I'm really tired though. The nap sounds really good. We caught one. Dylan got one 5-inch bluegill. It didn't even look like it was 5 inches. He pulled it out of the water and it looked more like 3.5, 4 inches, somewhere around there. So we were surprised when we measured it. So now we're gonna go to Delaware, see if we can't have any luck there. We haven't really had any luck at Alum, but we still got little minnows swimming around. Let's see if we can, yeah, there they are. That one in the middle is George, and the one on the edge is Fred.
We're at Delaware State Park.
In Delaware, Ohio. Yes. And we're gonna try catching fish again. And it's raining, so last year when we were here, when it was raining during the springtime, we had some really good luck. So hopefully this year turns out to be good. Since it is raining out, I put on the waterproof case, so you're not gonna hear us at all. So the rest of the video is gonna be a visual vibes type compilation, so enjoy.
You make it look like it's magic, oh yeah. 'Cause I see nobody but you. I'm never confused. Hey, hey, and I'm so used to being used. So I love when you call unexpected, 'cause I hate when the moment's expected. So I'ma care for you. I'ma care for you. Yeah. 'Cause girl, you're perfect. You're always worth it. And you deserve it. The way you work it. 'Cause girl, you are. We're both broken inside, so let me pick up all your pieces. Let me mend them back with mine. I always thought that love was just some make-believe, but now you're making me believe there's more. I see the way you look at me, like I just set you free. Maybe I set you free. So girl, let's fly away, forgetting yesterday, while we saturate all these shades of gray. Got me saying things that I don't ever say. What tomorrow brings don't mean a thing today. 'Cause it's heating up quick with the chance of rain. Got me thinking twice before I board that plane. So I love when you call unexpected, 'cause I hate when the moment's expected. So I'ma care for you. I'ma care for you. Yeah. 'Cause girl, you're perfect. You're always worth it. And you too late, too late, too late, too late, too late, too late.